Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app. Then select one of your chats and click on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Now click on Files. You can select them from here right away or click on those two filters, Audio and Videos. If you wish to, you can also select those three lines at the top left corner and click on one of your sources. I will go with Download. Now simply hold your file and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!